Hello Scrappy friends, welcome back. This is a layout I did for a cybercrop and I can't see the name of the group it was. It was the 12th of March. I am scrap lifting myself, so that first layout I showed you with a picture of Mr. Ding was one that I did on digital scrapbooking a very long time ago. I haven't used this program, that scrapbooking program, for a long time. I was sorting through some photos on my PC and that layout was there, so I thought, oh, I'm gonna redo that because I really like it. So this is a photo of me and Mr. Ding at Triada Bay in Wales. We'd been out to the sea shanty for lunch with my sister and her husband and daughters and grandson, and it's just a picture of us on the beach when we went for a walk on the beach afterwards. I am going to do the big circle out the yellow, I think, and then use the blue as a frame. I think that's the way around I did it. I was originally going to use We Are Memory Keepers, so no, this is what's happening. I'm showing you the different types of circle cutter I've got. So I've got the templates from Bramble Fox, which is that one, and then the big circle cutter with the flip lid, you put the paper in, that's a We Are Memory Keepers. And then the compass style one, that's an older We Are Memory Keepers one that I've had for a long time, and they've just re-released that actually in their current We Are Makers colours. So yeah, so them are different circle cutters I've got, but I've used the template from Bramble Fox for this one. I was just trimming the manufacturing strip off the papers and cutting my circle instead. I've used the Bramble Fox template for that, and I am going to use this bright blue for the frame, using the We Are Memory Keepers frame punch board. This is all, so I've put all, apart from Christmas hip kit collections, into one big collection, and because, you know, most of the papers all work together, and oh, with the exception of the October last year one, because that's the country one for when I go to country concerts with my nieces and my sister and sister-in-law. So yeah, so making that frame, I think I decided it's a little bit too big, so I make another one just to make sure. I do like this frame punch board. I don't use it often enough. It is handy when you've not got quite the right size frame, because the collections from Hip Kit have lots of frames in, but I needed something that was bigger for this, so that's what I've used there. Still want to be able to see the photo and the beach behind, so I just wanted to highlight me and Mr. Ding. This is a very quick layout, because I do, you know, it doesn't have very much on it. I go through the embellishments a couple of times. Oh, camera's fell down. And I do minimally embellish this. I don't do any mixed media on the back of it, which I think the original digital one had a brush stamp there to look like some spray in the top corner. There isn't very much to it. It's just, you know, quite quick and simple. I had a few layouts I wanted to get made that day, and I actually ended up not doing any more. Oh, decided it was a bit dark there and put the lamp on. So yeah, just deciding on the layouts now. I've got, as I said, I've got the big box next to me which has got all my collections in it. I do like that to begin with, and I decided it's too big and I'm not going to use it, but I get the florals out instead. I am sure I use them florals. Yes, I've just pressed them down, so I must do. So these are their chipboard stickers from Hip Kit. And then what am I reaching for now? trying to find a title. Do go through a few options with this. Right, normally I sit and watch my videos before I start doing my voiceovers, just to give me an idea and cut out any like real long rambly bits that I could avoid. Oh, I've just dropped all the labels out of that. So with the embellishment packs that were already open, I've split them into embellishment types and put them in 6x8 pocket page protectors. So that's what these are that I've just pulled out. So it's lots of different embellishments from lots of different collections. I think that's what my titles ends up being. I know I've called the layout Bless, so I think that Blessings label does stay there and becomes my title. And just looking to see if there's anything more I can add. Okay, these labels that fold over, I always cut them in half because you can use them on two layouts. You know, you're not going to see the other side, so why have them folded over as they're designed to be? And just, gosh, yeah, sticking already. Gosh, that's committing. I think I only stick the arrow to the back of the Blessings label. Just looking at some more flowers that might coordinate with the chipboard one I've already added. Do decide to pop them up on 3D foam just to give a bit of dimension. And the chipboard flowers that I found that I got on the bottom, I do actually find that as a die cut. Thought I used it then, but it looks like I haven't. As I said, really quick layout. I'm not sure there's much more left of this. So yeah, no, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. As I said, it's really simple, really quick. Yeah, have a good day. Bye bye.